my name is Deepthi. One of the most important aspects of plumbing is the fitting of pipes. This is a process that involves connecting two or more pipes together in order to create a system that is able to transport water or other fluids. There are a number of different ways to fit pipes together, and the method that is used will depend on the type of material that the pipes are made from, the size of the pipes, and the type of connection that is required. Today, we are going to learn about fitting of pipes as per sketch, observing conditions used for pipe work.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to fix the GI pipes with fittings as per drawing. Tools required: adjustable wrench 200 mm, valve key 6 mm, cylinder valve opener, pressure gauge with adapter, cylinder with pressure, pipe cutter, hacksaw frame with blade, tri-square, pipe die set, water pump plier. Equipment required: flaring block with yoke, flat file smooth 200 mm. Materials required: GI pipe, flare nut to suit the pipe. Before starting job, there are some preliminary checks to be made. Those are as follows. Calculate the length of pipe required based on drawing. Cut the pipes as per the calculated length using pipe cutter or hacksaw. Cut thread at the end of all the pipes using die stock. All the pipes have been measured and has been cut as per the calculated length. Now, let's begin with fitting. Fit T1 to pipe 1 using pipe wrench. Fit the pipe 2 to T1 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit elbow 2 to pipe 2 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit pipe 3 to elbow 2 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit elbow to pipe 3 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit pipe 4 to elbow using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit a socket to pipe 4 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit bib cock to socket using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit pipe 5 to T2 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit socket to pipe 5 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit bend to socket using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit socket to bend using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit pipe 6 to socket using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit elbow 3 to pipe 6 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit pipe 7 and 8 to T3 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit socket to pipe 7 and 8 using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Fit bib cock to sockets using pipe wrench after adopting the procedure. Remove any excess hem, string or sealing tape after completing the joints using hacksaw blade or a blow lamp. Assemble pipe with standard fittings. Now we are going to assemble the pipe and pipe fittings. Hold the pipe number 2 in a pipe vise. Wind the hem packing or cotton thread material on the external threads of the pipe. Apply sealing compound over the pipe threads. Fit T2 to pipe number 2 and tighten it using a pipe wrench. Note: wind the hem packing to external threads of all the pipes in standard fittings and apply sealing compound over the threads before joining with the other one. Fit pipe number 3 with elbow 2. Fit elbow 1 to pipe number 3. Fit elbow 1 to pipe number 4. Fit a socket to pipe number 4. Fit bib cock to socket. Fit pipe number 5 to T2. Fit pipe number 5 to socket. Fit socket to elbow 2 on both ends. Fit socket to pipe number 6. Fit T3 to pipe number 6, 7, 8. Fit socket to pipe number 7. Fit socket to pipe number 8. Assembling elbow with pipe. Now we have successfully completed the assembling.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to fix the GI pipes with fittings as per drawing. Thus, we have learnt about fitting of pipes as per sketch observing conditions used for pipe work. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.